There's no one coming to give you respect. No one is going to magically see your worth. Because in this world, value isn't given, it's earned, and sometimes it's demanded. People ignore you if they treat you like an option, if they speak over you, walk past you, or don't take you seriously. It's not always their fault. Here are the 5 reasons. You can't blame anyone for not valuing you. Number 1. You don't value yourself. The world reflects how you treat yourself. If you constantly break your own promises, if you over-explain, apologize, shrink, and please everyone, you're silently teaching them that you don't matter. Value begins in the quiet moments, in how you talk to yourself when no one else is around. Number 2, you let people interrupt you. When someone talks over you and you go quiet, you're saying, my words aren't worth hearing. It's not about yelling. It's not about fighting. It's about holding your space. Next time, pause it and say, can I finish? Say it once. Say it calm, and everything shifts. Number 3, you hide your flaws. Trying to be perfect doesn't make you strong. It makes you look scared. You want real respect? Own your failures. Say it with your chest. I messed up. I learned. I'm still here. People don't admire perfection. They admire honesty and the courage to show up anyway. Number 4, you say sorry when you did nothing wrong. Stop apologizing just to keep peace. Stop folding just to avoid discomfort. Every time you do, you teach others that your truth is negotiable. You don't have to yell. You just have to hold your truth, even if your voice shakes. Number 5, you tear others down to feel better. Every insult, every jab, every comparison, it says more about you than them. Confidence doesn't compete, it complements. Secure people lift the room because they don't need to prove a thing. You want people to value you? Start by showing them how. Because at the end of the day, no one can disrespect you unless you handed them the script.